Installation of portable air conditioning. This installation video is mainly divided into the following parts. 1. Preparation before installation. 2. Installation of exhaust duct. 3. Installation of window seal plate. Preparation before installation. Portable air conditioner accessories mainly include 2 window seal plates, 1 flexible air exhaust hose, the user's guide, and the sealing foam and the connectors. Installation of exhaust duct. Extend approximately 4 to 5 inches of the end of the exhaust duct. Place the unit connector on the end of the extended portion of the exhaust hose and gently rotate it counterclockwise. Continue turning the adapter until it cannot be turned any further. To attach the window kit adapter, repeat the process at the other end of the exhaust duct. Insert the unit adapter into the exhaust port at the back of the unit and extend the exhaust hose. Installation of window seal plate. Remove the window sealing plate from the packaging and adjust the opening to fit the opening of the window. Mark the size with a pencil. Remove the window sealing plate and insert the set bolt in the hole nearest to the marked position. Attach sealing sponge to the windowsill and the underside of the window. Insert the window kit adapter into the opening of the window sealing board and rotate to lock it in place. Install the window seal plate in the window groove and gently close the window on top of it. Apply slight pressure to make sure you get a good seal. To prevent air leakage, use the sealing foam to fill the gap between the windows.